Ooh, looks like Rainbow is exploring the cage. She's on the right side now. Okay. So my theory that they all go to the left side is not true. Just have to give them time. So Rainbow's in this little roof area. Blueberries has his little area. And Mango's right in the middle, I would say. Okay, so they have lots of room. It's about to storm, that's why it's so dark here. So I'm keeping an eye on them. They seem to be okay together. It makes it a lot less work for me instead of cleaning all 3 cages. Okay, keep everyone updated. Bye.